Hello everyone, my name is Prashant Jha. I'm a computer science and engineering graduate. I've been working with TCS. I got multiple offers for data science roles and data engineer roles through Alma Better within only 20 weeks of course commencement. And currently I'm working with the Decision Point as a data engineer. Data science is something I'm really interested. I've been working on this thing, learning new things since my college days, and wanted to join a company where I could actually work on these technologies. And Alma Beta really helped me to get my first job as a data scientist. Pay after placement policy is something that I really like. This actually makes you free from any financial risk and lets you focus on the study, and you don't need to worry about the money you are investing. And it also shows the confidence that we'll get you a job, then you will pay us. Like how confident they are with their course and their curriculum and everything. They actually tell you how to approach interviews, and those mentorship sessions really helped me to fix the things I was not good at, and also identifying them. They identified where I can do better, where I need to improve, and how to approach questions in the interview. And this is something actually no course teaches, and that's the important thing. You might know a lot of theory, but if you can't really present it well in the interview, you're not gonna get the job. They talk about new things that are coming up every day in the industry, and also tells you how the things are going to change and how you should approach the industry, which field you should work more on. They were also interactive. They also take your questions and answer them. I feel that AMAs are really good, and they actually help you to increase your knowledge and keep on the track with the industry and be updated about the new things. In the capstone project, there were mentors who made us think about that: is it flexible for business, your solution? Is it really able to get in the practical life? And another thing I learned about capstone projects is working in the teams. I collaborated with the people. We all had our own strengths and weaknesses. We tried to identify that and divide the work, and also we have to value each other's opinions and get to a decision. Once you complete certain amount of course, you go into the mock interviews. So they really strengthened me for real interviews. There were enough number of mock interviews that really helped me to be confident about the interviews, and this was one thing I really appreciate about the placement drive. I have a few advices. Trust the process. It would be hard, but it will be all worth it. Have faith in the process. Don't give up. There are people to help you. Stick to the process.